So you are trying to uninstall an app, but it just won't go. In this week video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to uninstall apps on your Android that won't uninstall. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here is my Android device. So let's say you click on an app like this and you're not seeing the option of uninstall, or you're simply seeing the option of uninstall, but whenever you click on the uninstall button, it is not clickable, or the uninstall button is actually gray, so you can't even click on it. Then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply uninstall apps on Android that won't uninstall. This might actually be from your device. There are some apps that actually require some specific permission in order for you to be able to uninstall them on your device. So the first step you need to take is to go to your phone settings like this. Right in your phone settings, let me just simply go ahead and search for device admin. Click on the search button and search for device admin like this. Once you do that, you're going to see security and privacy. You can actually see this feature as well on your security and privacy. You just need to go to security and privacy on your phone settings and search for device admin apps. Once you do that, you're going to see these device admin apps right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on it. Looking here at the bottom here, you can see where it says device admin apps. So you can go ahead and click on that. Currently, I have no active app right here. But if there's any app that you're trying to uninstall, but you are unable to uninstall it and you're seeing it right here, you just simply need to toggle off and turn it off if it is turned on this device admin app. Once you turn that off, the next step you need to take here is to go back to your phone settings like this. Now looking right on your phone settings, you're going to see the option of apps. You're going to see apps here or app manager. So you just need to go ahead and click on apps like this. Once you do that, go ahead and search for the app that you want to uninstall. So you just need to go ahead and search for the app that you want to uninstall and click on the app like this. And you're going to be able to see the uninstall button at the bottom of your screen. If you are not seeing the uninstall button right here, you are going to now be able to see it once you turn off the app on the device admin settings. So if you are done doing that, yet the issue actually persists, you are not seeing the option of uninstall on your own, so you just need to go ahead and restart your device. Maybe it's actually a glitch problem from your device. So if after doing that, you just need to go ahead and restart your device and recheck if you are going to see the option of uninstall right here. You can see my at the bottom of your screen. That is where you're going to see it. So you just need to go ahead and click on uninstall, and you're going to be able to confirm that you want to uninstall the app and uninstall the app. So hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you still have any question, you can tell me in the comment section and I'm going to make a full tutorial for you on my next upload. See you in the next one.